Hello, I have a better camera. Uh, let's try this. Unboxing. I usually keep the boxes of all my knives. This is an aluminium knife and sort of ABS plastic. Let's see. Is there any? I don't remember if there's any documentation in here. But anything inside? Nothing inside. So this is the Fury Skipper, made for fishing. And let's see if we can make a better review this time. There's a pivot here. Not sure how it's held together. It's very light. The blade is aluminium, and it is a trifold or Jacob's ladder style. It is too light to flip, and this is very strong. You can hear that snap. Yeah, I have to use a lot of force on there. How far does this go back? It goes back quite far. So can we? No, we cannot. And this is serrated. And let's see the other side. This looks like a line cutter. So this is made for fishing in China. 32226. And this is fairly sharp too. This one is not sharp. So you can go underwater, and this is completely waterproof. These rivets are also aluminum, plastic, and aluminum blade, and it won't rust underwater. And I don't fish personally, but I love trifolds. I'm missing one. It is the Case XX trifold. That's the only one, and I can't really justify the price for a little plastic knife for high dollars. We have a screw here. It's never come out, but I haven't used this heavily ever. So let's see that. I'm not sure what that does. I don't know what this little rivet is for. It doesn't make contact with anything. But yeah, this indentation is very, very strong. Not going anywhere. Not going anywhere. And can we flip it out? Oh, we can flip it out. Sort of. And can we flip this up? No, with it, this is too light. I'm not sure if you can buy this anymore, but I've had it for a really long time, and I just wanted to show it off. Because my old camera was very, very low resolution. Thank you for watching. More to come. Bye.